Unlocking the secrets of business success, lessons from a life in entrepreneurship in the dynamic landscape of modern business. The pursuit of success is a common thread that binds countless entrepreneurs. This essay will delve into the lessons gleaned from a lifetime of entrepreneurial endeavors, providing actionable insights for practitioners striving to achieve their own business triumphs. Visionary Leadership. 600 words. Visionary leadership is essential for guiding a company towards success. A prime example can be found in the rise of Steve Jobs at Apple. In 1997, when the company was on the brink of bankruptcy, Jobs returned as CEO and redefined Apple's mission, focusing on innovation and design. His unwavering vision led to the creation of iconic products like the iPod, iPhone, and iPad, propelling Apple to become one of the world's most valuable companies. Embrace your role as a leader and develop a clear, compelling vision for your company that inspires both employees and customers alike. Embracing change. 800 words. Adaptability is crucial in navigating an ever-evolving business environment. The case of Blockbuster Video serves as a cautionary tale. Despite dominating the video rental market in the late 1990s, Blockbuster failed to adapt to the rise of online streaming services like Netflix. In contrast, Netflix embraced digital transformation and continues to thrive today. Be vigilant for emerging trends and technologies that could impact your industry, and be prepared to pivot your business strategy accordingly. Customer obsession. 600 words. A relentless focus on customer needs is key to building a successful business. Jeff Bezos, Amazon's founder, has often emphasized the importance of putting customers first. This approach led to innovations such as one-click ordering and Prime membership, which have contributed significantly to Amazon's success. Prioritize understanding your customer base and continuously work to meet their evolving needs. Building a strong team. 800 words. A cohesive, high-performing team is essential for scaling a business. Elon Musk's SpaceX demonstrates the power of a strong team. Despite facing numerous setbacks and challenges, the company has managed to revolutionize space travel thanks to its dedicated employees and technical expertise. Invest time and resources in recruiting top talent and fostering a collaborative, supportive work environment. Innovation as a competitive advantage. 600 words. Innovation sets successful businesses apart from their competitors. Airbnb's disruption of the hospitality industry is a testament to this principle. By offering an innovative alternative to traditional hotels, Airbnb has captured a significant share of the market and transformed the way people travel. Encourage creativity within your organization and empower employees to think outside the box when it comes to problem solving and product development. Conclusion. 200 words. By embodying these principles, entrepreneurs can navigate the complexities of modern business and achieve lasting success.